Hey there, welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick unboxing video of some reloading components I got for some upcoming videos. Before we get started, I'd like to take a second to say all the content I create is funded by me. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm just simply showing you some stuff I bought online. Let's check it out. So these are some bullets I bought from RMR. I've done business with them for many years and they've been really good. Double package, kind of nice. It's just heavy. 2,000 rounds here, or 2,000 bullets actually. These are Idaho Silver 9mm bullets. Actually, these are 111 grain. Oh, nice looking. These are 111 grains, dimensionally the same as 115 grains, use the same data. These have a zinc jacket instead of copper, so they are 4 grains lighter. And there's 2 packs in there. Really nice looking so far. We'll see how they work and shoot, but that's pretty much it for now. Thanks for watching. Any questions or suggestions, feel free to hit me up in the comments.